Now I'm going to show you a short relaxation exercise you can use between tapping rounds. For this exercise we'll use point 9, also known as the gamut point. It sits on the back of the hand in the groove between the bones leading to your little finger and ring finger. Keep gently tapping this point with 3 fingertips throughout the exercise. Sit upright but stay comfortable and keep your head still facing forwards. First, close your eyes, open them again, keeping your head still. Look down and to the right as far as feels comfortable. Then look down to the left. Next, move your eyes in one large slow circle as through you're tracing the numbers around a clock face. Go round once clockwise, then once anti-clockwise. Now hum a few notes. It doesn't need to sound good for a form or melody, just hum whatever comes out naturally. Next, count backwards from a fairly high number, for example 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63. Then hum a few notes again. That's it. You can use this exercise every now and then as a short break between tapping rounds. The idea behind the exercise is to engage both sides of the brain in different ways. The combination of eye movements, counting and humming is intended to help them work together more smoothly and settle back into a steadier rhythm. And that's the whole exercise.